ये should
Oh, it's the wrong one. Okay. Okay, you want to try it?
Ooh,
Nice.
wow.
And it's good, I think, 2 memory settings, which is
it?
all you need.
Okay.
So for example, I think normally the way it works is you keep a number pressed. So just see, first you have to see which is a good standing height
Yeah,
for
I
you.
think it's the same this thing, no? It has to be
Yeah,
at the elbow level,
it
it
has
should be
to
right
be
angle.
correct.
Is
Yeah,
it right angle?
it is
The
right angle.
shoulder should not be lifted,
Yeah,
right? So I've dropped my shoulder
maybe it should be a little
lower,
lower,
no?
still
1 or
lower.
2
Yeah,
inch, yeah.
because it's not exactly
Correct.
right angle. So yeah, maybe now it's good.
I think this is good.
This is good,
Isn't
no?
it?
Yeah, this is good. Yeah. So now let's say it's at 38,
Huh.
right? So let's say you want to keep one as standing height and two as sitting,
Yeah.
or the other way around.
Yeah, one is good for standing.
Okay, so one is standing. I think 5 1. Yeah.
Okay.
So that means it's set it at 1.
Okay.
Now the memory is, if you move it, it was 38, right?
Yeah.
And now if you press 1, yeah, I think you have to 2 times you have to press. So 38, it came to 37.9, but that should be.
Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Memory भी दिया है इसमें.
Yeah.
Wow. Cool.
Nice.
Very nice.
And I think
Umesh,
same
can you
for.
put this on one side just for like no leave
Yeah,
it.
okay.
I'm thinking actually it's good. I have
Okay.
a tendency to like scratch
To
myself
scratch,
and
yes,
all
yes.
that. This is good actually if you can.
Yeah.
इसमें भी ये लगा दोगे क्या इससे? I don't know why it's not going.
I think they had mainly provided this for
Packing?
packing, but you
Acha.
can use it. I mean, yeah, you can use it if you.
Only the front two ones, right? So.
Yeah. Nice. And then.
Very nice. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. And keyboard is also working fine, no? The tray.
Yeah, this seems to be.
Yeah.
Oh, this is.
Yeah, this actually I have to tighten.
करना है क्या?
Yeah, actually for some reason this was not fitting properly.
अच्छा.
I'll retighten it. This side I think was fitting.
I think this is the maximum, is it?
Yeah, this is the maximum. Yeah.
This is also working fine. I think it's really
Yeah.
tight करना है.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
That's very good, Umesh.
Okay.